I'm out here on a brush hogging job. We got about 15 or so acres out here. And we are trying to do a good job on. We ran into this problem while in a regen. So let's just stop that so it'll idle down. This is why you bring your leaf blower with you, so you can blow out your radiator after you make about 2 passes on about 15 acres. Man, it is beautiful out here. Hey, look, there's my wife. Oh, there's my daughter and my wife over there. Man, you can see the house up there. It continues on down around. Get this tree line here, it continues on over, and then back off in this area here. I think it's right there as it starts going downhill to a massive, probably about a 10-acre pond. So let's fix this. Yeah, let's fix this issue. Man, I cannot talk today. All right, we're gonna remedy this, make tractor happy again, and we're gonna get back on it. Basically, I'm gonna go grab the leaf blower and blow out the radiator. As you can tell, let's give you a perspective here. It's not real high, but it is really, really dusty. All right, hey guys. So, little man and I got another job to do out here. If you'll be able to see it, the sun's like right in the way. But we got quite a bit here, about 15 or 17 acres here. So did a little bit of mowing yesterday, ran out of daylight, and didn't want to bother loading tractor back up. So we left the tractor here. So now we're just hoping that it's still here. Let's see if it's still here. So we made a kind of a perimeter cut around all this, and then there's a pond over there somewhere about where the sun's setting. And tractor actually got hot because I didn't blow the radiator out, so we left it here. Didn't feel like driving it all the way back up front with it getting hot, so we parked it back here behind this tree over here. Let's see if it's still here. Is it still there, bud? Still here? Hey, there it is. That's not mine. All right. She's still here. Good deal. Oh. We did good, bud. Good little hidey hole back here. Can't see. Huh?
Looks like it's an old tractor.
It's an old tractor. All right. All right, let's get it fired up. Oh, we got to shift into neutral here. Park brake on. All right. All right, so now that we found the tractor and it's still here, let's hop up on here and, oh, little man got to run around the other side here. All right, you ready, bud? All right, here we go. See if we can get out of this hole here. Yeah, I think so. Get on out of here. Here's my camera girl. She's got my leaf blower. We'll pull this up out of here and get to blowing it, get it cleaned out. See how we look. All right, anybody knows anything about these John Deeres knows that you gotta need something to open the hood. That'll work. Hop down here. Cause that right there, that's how you open the hood. Right in there. Push. Yes, that makes a lot of sense, doesn't it? Oh, I dropped my screw. I dropped my hood opener. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Got it. All right, bud. Can you lift while I push? All right. Nice. All right, let me put my hood opener back. All right. Thank you. Oh, careful, bud. Ooh, she dirty. Ooh. Nope, you put the side panel back on that side. Go over this side. See if we can snake it in this hole here. Oh yeah. Good old John Deere likes a good blowing. Turbo mode. Back off to the camera girl. Thank you. All right, let's close the hood. Get back up. Neutral. Into the sun we go. I think, where did we leave off? Over there? Over there? All right, let's go across this ravine here. Oh. All right. Sorry, had to pass off my cordless hole puncher to my camera girl. A little uncomfortable carrying it while on tractor. Right, bud? Alright, flip this around here. Okay, one of the problems we're going to have with filming today is we got wind. It's about 19 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to like 50 here in the great state of Oklahoma. So we got to get up over this berm here. Get around this. And we'll get to mowing. Okay, this is where we walked in right here. So, let's go left. It may be hard to see with the sun, but let's see if I can get up here on the top of this hill, get a better view of what we got going on here. We've only got a little bit of time to mow. We blazed the trail through there. We've only got a little bit of time to mow tonight. It's approaching about 6. Maybe about 6:20, 6:30, sunset's about 7. So we're basically mowing what's all here inside these trees. And then passed on beyond these trees over here, there's a pond down there, about a 5 or 7 acre pond. So, and then we got to come all the way over here. This is the property line, so we're not messing with this area, but property line's here, all the way over. It's about, I think they said anywhere between 15 to 17 acres. So let's get started on it. quite a bit mowed today, this entire middle section here. We got a few little stragglers here, mainly around this tree. So this right here, this is a kind of a drop-off embankment right here. As long as that is well. That is a drop-off embankment as well. So and down here, we made it down around the close to the pond. That is a pretty steep drop-off down there. As you can see, we are running out of sunlight. So it is, I have no idea what time it is, but I will tell you this, it is getting cold. So we're gonna shut this down right here. I'll run back over here and kind of give you guys an idea of where we're at, what we got left. So I did get some footage of trying to mow this embankment right here. This camera does not do that justice. I thought I was gonna roll this tractor. That'd be fun. It's pretty steep. Let's see if we can go down here. Give you an idea? Whee! See level? Yeah, don't do it justice. Alright. We're gonna go all the way down here. There's a, wherever that tree's at, this little evergreen here, there's a drop off, a little washout that runs all the way down the top of this hill here. We're gonna go all the way down here to circle back around. And there's that other little lawnmower. There's our little hidey hole for this tractor. And then we'll be back out here bright and early in the morning. Sunglasses come off. Man, it is absolutely beautiful out here. So peaceful. I don't know if you can see it. Here's the washout, a little ravine. We've got to go down this way. See here, how do I get down there without flipping this thing? This might work. Go down to here. Just scraping. Bumpy road. Somebody out here with a box plate and take care of that. Found our tree. We can get it back up. Oop. Yep, there's our marker. Should we get back up in this little hole? This tree branch is gonna knock me in the face. Yep, it would have. Wow, it got dark. Like hide and seek. You can't see me. Turn the lights off here. Will the camera readjust? Get the bucket down. You really can't see me. That's really cool. Let me see what I can do. Can you see me now? Turn the camera around. It's got this little light bulb thing on here. We'll see if that works. All right, put that down. That. All right, we're locked. Ow. Branch. I can't see crap, that bright flashlight in my face. All right. Tractor is in its little hidey hole. Come on, focus on it. Don't matter. I don't know if you can see me or not. Now I'll get up here and get another set of eyeballs to look at the front side of this camera and see if you can see me. You can see me?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. Let's see. I don't know. Now we got about a 5-acre walk to get out of here.
Or run.
Or run. Okay, they're just gonna leave me hanging. Bye, y'all. gonna be funny is when they realize that when they get to the truck that I've got the keys. Oh, Mama's got the keys. So let's see if I can sneak up here. Give you guys a. Ooh. Let's telescope this thing. How high can we go? Wow, that's pretty high. All right, that's what we got done today. I don't know if you can still hear me. I'm way down here. Here I am. All right. I need to invest into a drone. I wouldn't have to carry. Oh, hole. My camera girl decided it was. I don't know what kind of footage she got. Did you get anything? What?
Nope.
Why?
Because I don't want to.
Oh my goodness. It's hard to find good help nowadays.
Shut it.
My goodness gracious. It's been, man, that sunset is just absolutely gorgeous. Why is there a green light? Never mind. I'm an idiot.
That's making the flame.
It's a light pole.
There's also a plane up there.
It's not a green light. It just looks green in my camera. Well, me looking through the camera looking back. Doesn't that look green?
It's white.
Somebody lit up an alien's butt up there. It's green. Okay. That's green. Day 3 of mowing this property. We dressed a little bit different today. The wind's probably blowing about 20, 25 maybe, with gusts up to 35, I think is what they said. Problem with it is it's like 55 degrees. Wind chill's probably, I don't know. It's too cold for us. We like the 110 degree heat. Look at that blue sky. Look at that. Oh yeah. All right, day 3, we are running back here. Get started. Make sure the tractor's back here. It's here yesterday, so no reason for it not to be here today. Ugh. Flip this around here. All right, remember earlier when I pointed to where we had walked in at? It's this area right here. Kind of get a view of what we accomplished yesterday. Let's see if we can get this thing to raise up here. Can you see anything up there? I can't see crap from down here. This pole stretches like 6 feet, son. Jeez. It's not as late in the day. I think it's about 12:30, maybe 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I planned on being out here a little bit earlier than this, but such is life. We got a few things to take care of this morning. We got them taken care of, and on to tractors. I think we might have maybe 3 or 4 hours left of be able to get this done today. So yeah, maybe 4 hours if we're going to take our time. But there's a lot of hard areas to get. Let me see, let's see. This is the ravine right here. Yeah, that area right there. I would not do good as a weather person. I can't point to where I'm supposed to. Mowing down inside this is gonna be difficult. Yeah, that tree's gonna go away. So, and then we've got this right here is about the same. I don't know how I'm gonna get to that. Maybe I should have brought a weed eater. Well, it's still there. Tractor. It's still there. Hey, I did bring some fuel, grease gun, And what else we bring, son? Fuel, grease gun. Oh, and a water sprayer. Oh, son. And a water sprayer, so that we can not just blow out the radiator, but maybe we can wash it out. I'm getting caught on some thorns here. It's 50 degrees outside, maybe 55. What do you think, son? You don't know. Neutral. No problem. No problem at all. Just pull it out here in the sun. Let it warm up a minute. Kind of take it easy. Just start up, so don't want to work her too hard. Not until she warms up. Brought the leaf blower down here with us so we can blow that off. And we got a broom. Got a broom here on the tractor, a little hand broom. Ooh, that sun's gonna be bright today. It might be difficult to record that sun today. At least it's on that side of the sky and not that side of the sky. This is more time to get stuff done. And I guess my daughter, what'd you find? What is that?
It's a turtle.
That is a little bitty guy. Where's its head? This side. Get it on camera here. Hey, guy. As he jumps out and bites my hand. Alright, anybody know? Comment down below what kind of a turtle that is. I ain't got a clue. Alright. Set the boy down. Boy down. Gonna hop off here, let this thing warm up for a few. Alright, while they're running to go get the leaf blower, because I forgot it, get our hood opening tool here. Good. No, I can't do this one hand. I need both of them. Look at that camera trick. All these green tractors were ran by, that's right, Yanmars. In case you didn't know, now you do. It's a Yanmar tractor painted green. Alright. I forgot to record blowing out the radiator and the deck and filling it up with fuel. Set the camera down for just a second and they come walking up with the fuel and leaf blower. And, well, they started pouring fuel in and I started blowing. So I'm sorry for that. I'm still learning. No, you gotta be able to know that. Alright. Up here. I don't know if you can hear me or not, this wind. I feel like I should have wore a headscarf or something. Beanie. Mask. Bandit mowing. No. We got a little bit of temperature in the tractor. Not a whole lot. It's not up to temp yet. So. But it's got a little bit in it. Look at me, I'm wearing gloves. It's cold. We're used to 100 degrees, 105 degrees. Heat index is 110, 115. you guys that don't know, here in Oklahoma, humidity is a real thing. Kind of like being in Miami. Central and South Texas, no humidity. Heat is just heat. Arizona, same way. Heat is just heat. Here in Oklahoma, step out of your nice air-conditioned house at about noon, maybe 1 o'clock in August. It's like you just climbed out of the swimming pool or out of a shower. Not the refreshing type. It's the type that you start dripping sweat from places you didn't know you had, and instant miserable. It's like standing in an oven or a sauna. Oven's dry heat. There's different. All right, let's see what our temperature's up at too. We call that CFE. If you don't know what that means, sorry, I can't explain it to you here. All right, set our RPM, PTO drive at about 430, 440. This isn't real heavy, so ideally it's about 550, 540, 550, somewhere around that thing. But this ain't real thick, so we'll save on that PTO drive a little bit. Oh, glove off, flip the camera, glove back on. Plastic's cold when it's, plastic's cold. We're picking up right where we left off yesterday. Tackle this little patch right here. I don't like mowing in reverse, but sometimes it's just a necessary evil. I know in my previous mowing videos, I pretty much just said nothing. You just got to work. But I've had, oh, hang on. I've had a couple of people call me, not from YouTube, but people that I know, people that know me, and ask me, I'm going to turn this around again. I've had a couple of people call me and ask me if I wouldn't mind videoing from the tractor and kind of explaining a little bit of what I'm doing. That way it's not just a tractor off in the distance stirring up a bunch of dust. For those of you that did call me and ask that, let me know how this works. I don't know how else to explain mowing. I mean, if you ever mowed your front yard on a rider or a push mower, or if you have somebody come out and mow your yard, like me, it's really just a game of driving in circles or fancy squares. Or on a plot like this, it's about 10, 15, 20 acres. I'll start off as a perimeter cut, just so I kind of know where my boundary lines are, and then I'll try to cut it like maybe like 4 sections to a box, and that way with each turn you're taking more and more out of that square, and you're not just making left turns all the time. Left turn, left turn, left turn. You can, if you start in the middle, basically make a like a plus sign. Then you start going aiming towards the center. And when you get to the center, you can turn left, hopping to the opposite side, and then when you make it back around to your next corner, oh, steep hill. When you make it back around to your next corner, you can make a right-hand turn and continue on. And each corner that you come to, you make a different turn, left or right. You're still progressing. To me, just cutting in a square repetitively is kind of boring. So if you can make a game out of it, a little bit more interesting, then it's not work. It's kind of fun. And also too, in doing a pattern like that, what I like to do is each time you go across something, making a path, that grass is going to lay down one direction. So like me, I run my bucket really close to the ground. One, to help with identifying obstacles or anything I don't want to run over. T-post, heels, dirt mounds, maybe some metal. I used to run a pretty heavy magnet in the bucket, kind of help negate that, but I lost the magnet. I don't know where it went. But I lost it. I don't know where it went. But anyway, running it in a pattern, if you go one direction, your grass is going to lay over, and you're going to miss some spots. It's just the nature of the animal. Like this spot right here. This right here. So it's laid over one direction. I'm going to have to come in from the other direction to get that taken care of. But right now, I'm doing the exact thing that I said I don't like doing. Making a left-hand turn. So we're going to cut right here in the middle. Normal left turn path, go to that corner, hang left. Well, we got this small square here. We're just going to cut in the center. I'll kind of demonstrate what I talk about. See, now here we can make a right. So you got that little patch there. The swing in the mower didn't get it. This is going to be a real hard right turn. Back up this way. Yeah, we're gonna back up. I screwed this one up. Alright, here we go. See, I run my bucket close to the ground. One, it helps hold the grass over trees or brush or whatever. Puts it up underneath the tractor versus messing up my grill. Okay. One more right turn. Check this out. So now we're gonna go to this side. This side. See that piece that sticks out right there? Yeah, we're gonna get that right here. Now we go left. Exactly what that bucket's for. Oops. That is a hole right there, and that is a mound. You need to put that mound in that hole, problem solved. You can pull and drive. Whoa! Hey, now we go to this side. Okay, I lied. I missed it. Man! What am I doing? What is... You got a mohawk here? Alright, it is 100% apparent I cannot mow, well, operate a tractor, mow in a pattern, which I speak of, that I always do, and film. Camera girl. I think you got the concept. That's how I do it. That's how I like to do it. Not all the time. Just kind of when it's available. We got this big old berm over here. Now we're gonna go down it, get sideways. So, you see something wrong here? Raise the mower. Full drive. Get out of it. That's some terrain right there. I don't think I'm going to be able to handle. All right, let me get this section done and I'll pick back up with you guys later. I don't need to be off on the camera when I'm trying to do this. This is stupid.